Hey guys, today I'm going to be breaking down the side glide going from right to left as you see here, this time with shoes on. I had socks on in the last video. The main key points are you coming down on the ball of the foot as you see here, and you're going to slide out, okay? When you slide out, before you pop to that other foot, you're going to transfer the weight in the knees as you see. Then continue on over with that foot coming in front of the back foot, just in front of it. And then you pop it again, as you see here, and then you continue on as shown. Okay, this is really difficult, but once you get this mind-body connection down, it becomes a lot easier. You just have to practice. Okay. So it's pop, slide, transfer the weight, and pop at the same time. Here's a behind the look. Okay. Again, come down with the foot popped, slide out, pop and transfer the weight at the same time. Foot in front of the other foot, pop, as you can see here. Left foot is leading out, and you start all over again. Let me know if this helps.